That's something that like a problem for me. Well, my question is, what if I don't have a niche or a preference? I just look into the data or how to choose the perfect product.
Right. So that's a great question because like, well, what do I start from? Like, there's so many things, right? There are like millions of products and like, how do I know? Like literally like that, right? You just don't really know what is. So my first product was Kitchen Caesars.
Wow.
Kitchen Caesars, yes. That's my first product.
Cool.
And it was in a box, gift box. It's still selling until this day. And on 2 markets, Canada and USA. It's really saturated these days. When we got into this niche, just for those who are listening, that's interesting. The top seller had 500 reviews. I think this time, the top seller, it's a different seller, I think, these days, not the same one. 18,000 reviews, 15, 20,000. Wow. So like the niche got saturated. We're still getting some sales. We don't really invest much into development of that product because this product has such a long history of like out of stocks and whatnot. Like so many things happen with this product. I'm just looking at it now, like it brings back memories. But, and why did I show that and why did I say that? I had no freaking idea that I would be selling Kitchen Caesars. And I think this first year, this product first year on Amazon, we generated in sales $147,000 in sales and we profited 17%, which was $2,000 a month. Now, not only this product, this was the majority of the sales. Simple product. There's like a nutcracker here. There's a bottle opener, some other things that other Kitchen Caesars didn't have. We added a nice gift box to stand out. The listing was a bit better. And we priced it higher. Hence, we priced it higher as well. But I would say that if you don't, okay, so 2 things. First thing, if you have a niche, like let's say you have something that you really like in your life and you know that there are products in this space, whatever space, you can just start from that. Just understand if, well, maybe there's something that, I can find from them. Then you can use different tools to do market research for these products. Helium 10, Jungle Scout, whatever you choose. There are many of them actually. You can even work without tools, but I would say that it's really hard. We always use the Chrome extensions of either Helium 10, Jungle Scout or others to research the niche. By the way, links in the description to these tools. That's option number 1. When you have something, you just check out in this niche and you just see what's up. And mostly it's not gonna happen. Like I had no freaking idea. Like for example, I like going to the gym. Dumbbells, like cables of, I don't know, like these, like stretching, I don't know, nothing really came up. So what happens is you can just do product research based on data, exactly as you've said. So I have, again, different videos for that. I have a product research playlist that I can place in the description where you input data of what you want to see based on sales, on reviews on Amazon, and the program will show you these kinds of products in different categories. That's how we stumbled upon the Kitchen Caesars. Back in the day, the data was good for that. These days, probably you'll see data that's oversaturated. Honestly, this is an oversaturated niche these days. And the prices go down as well when that happens. But based on data, you will be looking for products. So you input, for example, I want to see products that generate over $10,000 a month. This product has less than 30 reviews, for example. And on this listing, there are less than 3 pictures. You can do that inside programs. And then the program will spit out all these products that they have in their catalog, which they download from Amazon. And you will see then these products. And then you do further research. But here you might be stumbling upon bird cage from wood, like holder for cups from crystal. I don't know what, like you'll see bizarre products, but sometimes it's a niche. And honestly, sometimes like I don't even cook too much. Not at all, like maybe eggs or something. Honestly, I don't. But this is a product for kitchen and I still use it for like different things around the house even. But I never thought that this would be my first product, but the numbers showed me that. That's like a product business. You buy, you sell for hire. And I learned to love them. I created the listings. We thought about the, people who are in the kitchen that are working with with this sort of product. What I'm trying to say is like, I learned to love this niche. And then barbecue, like I don't really do barbecue. My business partner, he does barbecue, like he knows how to cook good food. Me, not really, but it was an opportunity and we jumped on it. And then we created the brand in barbecue products niche. Wait, I forgot a question for a second. The question was, if you don't know the niche. So you can use like tools, again, link in the description, Helium 10, Jungle Scout, whatever you choose to search for the products. And if you're still like, how do I do that? playlist in the description for product research. I have over 30 videos that, again, it's all based on experience, by the way. I always share like what I went through, so maybe not the best advice, I don't know, but it's real advice, you know what I mean?